Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the Zebronics Zeb Plus wireless mouse. On the front, we can see the product itself right in the middle through this clear plastic molded packaging, and we can see the USB receiver as well. To the right, we have the Zeb Plus branding and the Zebronics branding on the top. On the left, we can see that it says wireless mouse. And on the bottom, there are a couple of the salient features like high precision, and it has a power saving mode. Right at the bottom, we can see a link to the Zebronics website. On the back, on the top left, we have the contents of the package, which include the mouse itself and the receiver that we mentioned earlier, the power saving mode and high precision mode from earlier as well. And here are some other salient features like its 2.4 GHz frequency range. It has support for 800, 1200 and 1600 dpi. It has 4 buttons. It has a single AA battery. It has a USB Nano receiver, and it is comfortable to use. Right here we have the manufacturing and importing information, and at the bottom we have information about the customer care. Well, that's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Here we have the receiver, and as we can see, it is a USB type A. There does not seem to be any kind of branding on the device. And now we get to the mouse. As we can see, it is pretty compact and it has some Zebronics branding right on top. We also have a ridged scroll wheel, which should make it easy to scroll, and the buttons are nice and clicky. Overall, on the entire mouse, there seems to be a matte plasticky finish, except for shiny accents right around the click. We also have a DPI button right in the middle under the scroll wheel, which can be used to adjust the DPI of the mouse. At the bottom, we have a hatch here, which houses the battery. And we have the scanning mechanism. To start using the mouse, all we have to do is put the receiver into a laptop or in a PC. And that should automatically detect the drivers that would be required, and the PC will start to install it automatically as well. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb Plus wireless mouse. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.